What if I told you FAANG is no longer the king of tech investing? For years, investors relied on FAANG, Facebook, Apple, Amazon, Netflix, and Google, to represent the biggest growth stocks in the world. But now, in 2026, a new acronym is emerging: BATMMAAN. And this new group reflects the real power shift happening in global technology, driven by AI, semiconductors, and cloud dominance. Let's break down what BATMMAAN means and why it matters for the future of global markets. FAANG stood for Facebook, which is now Meta, Apple, Amazon, Netflix, and Google, now Alphabet. These companies dominated the 2010s era, powered by social media, e-commerce, streaming, smartphones, and digital advertising. But something changed. The global economy entered the AI revolution, and the companies leading that revolution are slightly different. BATMMAAN represents the new tech elite: Broadcom, Apple, Tesla, Microsoft, Meta, Amazon, Alphabet, and Nvidia. Notice something? Netflix is gone. Semiconductor and AI infrastructure companies are in. This shift reflects a massive transition from consumer internet dominance to AI infrastructure and chip dominance. 1. The AI boom. Artificial intelligence is no longer experimental. It powers chatbots, autonomous vehicles, military systems, cloud platforms, and financial trading systems. And AI needs enormous computing power. That's where Nvidia and Broadcom come in. 2. The semiconductor race. AI runs on advanced chips. Companies like Nvidia and Broadcom are building the backbone of global AI infrastructure. Without chips, there is no AI revolution. This is why semiconductor stocks are now central to global investing. 3. Cloud and AI platforms. Microsoft, Amazon, and Alphabet dominate cloud computing. AI models are trained and deployed on their cloud platforms. Microsoft integrates AI into Office and enterprise tools. Amazon leads cloud infrastructure. Alphabet powers AI search and data systems. The future economy runs on cloud and AI combined. 4. Tesla's position. Tesla is not just a car company. It's AI-driven autonomous systems, robotics, energy storage, and AI training for self-driving. It represents the real-world AI application layer.
Streaming is still important, but it doesn't drive the core infrastructure of the AI economy. Netflix is content. BATMMAAN companies are infrastructure. Investors now prioritize companies building the digital backbone of the future. This isn't just about stock markets. It reflects a deeper transformation. AI is reshaping economies. We see semiconductor geopolitics, the US-China tech rivalry, the cloud wars, and defense AI systems. Countries are investing billions into AI and chips. Investors are following the money. That's why BATMMAAN matters. Every tech cycle has risks. We must watch for overvaluation, AI regulation, and geopolitical tensions. Semiconductor supply chain disruptions and market corrections are also critical factors. The AI boom could reshape markets, but volatility will remain. FAANG defined the last decade. BATMMAAN may define this one. This shift shows that the future isn't just apps and streaming. It's chips, AI models, cloud infrastructure, and autonomous systems. The question is not whether AI will transform the economy. The question is, who controls the infrastructure behind it? And that's exactly what BATMMAAN represents. If you want more global tech, AI, and defense analysis, subscribe now. Because the next decade of technology power is already being built, and we're just getting started.